Heather and this is Hooking Winch Crochet, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a quick, beginner-friendly hair scrunchie. So, without any more yakking, let's get hooking. For this tutorial, you will need worsted weight yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, a plain hair tie, and at the end, of course, your darning needle and scissors. To begin, make a slip knot. Attach to your hook. Okay, you put your hook through the hair tie, yarn over, pull the yarn up, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops, creating your first single crochet. And you're just going to single crochet all the way around. So you want to lay your tail along the hair tie so you'll be working over it. And go through the hair tie, grab the working yarn, pull it up, yarn over and pull through both loops. Through the hair tie, yarn over, pull up, and pull through both loops. And like I said, you want to work around that tail so you don't have to worry about sewing it in later. And you're just going to continue doing single crochets until you get all the way around back to where you started. When you've worked your way all the way around, you want to slip to the top of your first stitch and chain 1. Now, we're going to put 2 double crochets into every single crochet we just made. So we're going to yarn over, through your stitch, yarn over, pull up, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. It's your first double crochet. You're going to yarn over and go back into the same space, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then to the next stitch, yarn over, pull up, through 2, through 2. And again into the same space, all the way around. 2 double crochet in every stitch. Our last stitch, we do our 2 doubles. I didn't wrap first. When we get to the last stitch, we do our 2 doubles. And then we slip to the top of the first stitch there and chain 3. For our last row, we are going to put 3 double crochets into every stitch. So right through the same space 3 times. Yarn over into the space, to each stitch 3 times. Okay, and as we come to our last stitches, remember we're still doing 3 double crochets in each stitch. Got 1 more here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now we're just going to slip to the top of our first stitch cut our yarn and over and pull through, tying off. And then we just want to weave our end in. And give it a snip. And we have a scrunchie.